fascia. And in them, there's a tremendous relief by clipping and reducing the mitral leak.
They will also go through the angiogram.
So the first thing we do is we do the angiogram and we first fix the block. Then we wait 2 months. We see if the leak has gone down. If the leak has gone down, we do nothing. If the leak is still there, they should be clipped.
How long will the clip be functioning?
So the first few clips were put in 2003. What we have realized is that they're working so far. More time has to pass to show how long they will be used. Now, till now, like any new technology, the first group of people they try in is the prohibitive risk, where you can't operate. Once they realize it's safe, then they start moving to the lower risk and the younger population. Just now, the younger population and lower risk studies are starting in MitraClip. They have started enrolling. But only time can tell. Right now we know, like Mr. Thomas Gerard said, I am 84 going on 48 after 3 years after the clip. And they get the 2-year follow-up data from COAP shows that every 6 months they are better than the previous 6 months.
So this MitraClip is like permanent or?
Oh, it's permanent. What happens is, once we put the clip, there's a little covering on it that allows skin to form on it. So this skin forms on it and creates a tissue bridge that keeps it in place and makes sure that the leaflet doesn't go off and it start leaking again.
So can we say that this will prevent the heart attack?
Okay, so heart attack happens when you have a reduction in blood supply to the heart muscle. So the heart has 3 main blood vessels, and it's interesting, just a bit of trivia for you. They are called coronary arteries because from Latin it comes from the word coronarum, because the first Latin physician who described it said, like a crown they wrap around the heart. Just thought it's interesting when you asked. So the heart attack comes from blocks in these coronary arteries. The MitraClip is put inside the heart, in the valve that controls the direction of blood flow. So there are 2 separate things, but heart attacks can cause leaks which can be treated with MitraClip.
So here, by your right, how often after post-surgery they should come and have their checkups?
Review?
Yeah.
So normally what I like to do is I like to see them at 3 months, and the follow-up usually is just an echo to see the heart significantly improving. Once in 6 months, so I like to do 3 months, 6 months, then once a year.
Is it must they should come to the hospital, or is it?
I can't hear you very clearly.
Is it must they should come to the hospital, or you can go through in online?
So because so many patients have, so the therapy is not yet known, which I'm hoping all of you will help us change today. Most of the patients who come are from different cities, different countries. So we don't have the luxury of flying them to us each time. We just ask them to do an echocardiogram, send it to us. Unless they have a complaint, they don't come back. So they were on the maximum amount of medication that they can take, and still they were suffering. The minute we put the clip, with time, we can reduce the medication until when they are comfortable. But the clip fixes heart failure. They will have to continue medication for their underlying disease. So depends on the size of the insurance policy you take. Now, if you take an insurance policy, no matter how much the procedure costs, law mandates that you should be reimbursed. The MitraClip is a little expensive since you're talking about the cost. But 4 years back, when I stood in front of all of you and I spoke about this therapy called TAVI, everybody wondered 20 lakhs are, 25 lakhs are, is it affordable? Do you know how many TAVIs happen in India today? I alone do 10 a month. India does 80 to 100 TAVIs a month. MitraClip costs the same amount. There are people to be treated. The more and more doctors start doing it, the more and more teams start doing it, volume will drive the cost down. More people can afford it. Insurance. Insurance can cover it, sorry.
Doctor, what is stent, which is better, clip or stent?
So stent is for block in the heart blood vessel and clip is for leak in the heart valve. So they are 2 separate therapies. But I think both are good because we do both.
We We have a question from online from Mr. Ajay Tyagi from PTI. What is the cost of the surgery? I think it's been answered previously.
25 lakhs.
25 lakhs. How many days of hospitalization is required? And also he wants to know how many such procedures have been done in India and how many in Apollo so far.
So the total number of procedures, so in case all of you are wondering why this press meet, why are we here? America diagnoses, Mr. Ajay, right? Ajay Tyagi. Ajay, I can't see you, so I'm going to look around to one of the cameras and talk. So the reason why we are all here is because, like I mentioned in my presentation, America diagnoses 4 million cases of mitral regurgitation, treats 1.5% of that. India in 2 years has done only 21 cases. That has to change. With 4.6 million patients suffering from heart failure, we cannot stay at 21. All India, 21 cases, Apollo, 13 cases. And the procedure costs 25 lakh rupees. The patients can leave hospital in 1 day, but we are very cautious. We send them home in 2 days.
Any more direct questions? I think they all are clear about after seeing the presentation. Even I don't receive any online questions so far.
That's a good thing. வேற ஏதாவது கேட்கணுங்களா எங்களை? சொல்லுங்க please.
At the end.
What about the
Yeah, that was the idea.
what about the gripness of the clip? As years go by, the grip.
Amma, I can only tell you after years go by. But I'm joking. But the good news is that in the last 14-15 years that it's there, the clips are stable, they don't degenerate, they get completely covered by skin and they get pretty much encased inside that cocoon of skin. So they are extremely stable. But open heart surgery has been there for 65 years. That is the gold standard. So if you want to know how it compares to open heart surgery, we have studies that say that in the present period of time, the 13-14 years it's matching it and proving better. Only as time goes, we'll know how the heart behaves after 20 years. But we are not putting it in 40-year-olds now, no? We're putting it in 80-year-olds, 75-year-olds. So we'll have to start putting it in younger patients, which will happen. We'll have another meet and you and me will be sitting here and I'll tell you, didn't I tell you that day this is going to happen? Because that is the future, right? We have to adapt new technology and hopefully it'll make a huge difference to everybody's life it touches.
There is one more question online. Is it safe to go through a metal scanner in an airport?
Pardon?
Is it safe to go through a metal scanner in an airport?
Absolutely. Not only is it safe to go through a metal scanner, you can have up to a 3 Tesla MRI with the clip in you. They are designed to be in you for MRIs. So metal scanners are pea shooters compared to that. Anything else?
Any more questions? There is a last question where one of the patient has asked, I am not able to consume more food after getting a stent and now I feel very weak.
Who's this?
This is Mr. Venkateshan.
Mr. Venkatesh is not able to consume more food after he had a stent.
Underwent a stent.
Mr. Venkatesh, I hope all of us would have the problem you're having. Our problem is we are wanting to consume more food. But I don't know where you're from, which city you're from. It's extremely difficult to answer that question without examining you. But I can take some guesses on why suddenly you lost your appetite. There are some medication that we give you intentionally, like blood thinners and cholesterol medication that can sometimes affect your appetite. It's important you go to your doctor and tell him this complaint and see what he has to say about it.
For patients like Mr. Venkateshan, I'd like to say that Apollo was a pioneer in telemedicine, and we're the largest telemedicine, partners in India. We're doing an average of about, I think, 3,000 a day. And so for patients like Venkateshan, Apollo 24/7, which is, our digital arm, is constantly raising the bar on how telemedicine can be done. So I urge you to really,
Get an appointment.
Just download 24/7 as an app, take a telemedicine appointment. All our very senior consultants have adopted to this tremendously, and I think that would probably help you and reassure patients not only in India, but for my sister said earlier about 150 countries where we service clients and patients come to us. For all of them, telemedicine is a boon. COVID has taught us how it can help. So for Mr. Venkatesan, any doubts you can get examined by our senior clinician, Dr. Sai Satish, and you will probably find your answers.
Dr. Satish?
Yeah.
The clip is made in India or?
Is it made in India, the clip? The clip, is it made in India, is this question?
No, it's not made in India.
Possible to make?
Pardon?
Is it possible to make in India?
I think we have the capacity to do anything we set our mind out to do. 3 years back or 4 years back, we didn't think that a TAVI valve could be made in India. Now we are making the valve and using it freely in everybody. So this technology is new. It's still in patent, but I'm sure soon India will start manufacturing equivalents of it.
Thank you.
Any more questions?
My uncle, 3 stud he had, and after that he died. How many stud it will be help for a person to live?
Purilanga.
3 stud already. We had 3 stud. Afterwards, he can't able to live. He died. After one attack, he died. How many stud it will be helpful for live? Any patient?
So,
according to the health body condition or
if the number of stents does not matter at all, because 3 ரத்த குழாய் இருக்கு. அந்த 3 ரத்த குழாயில எங்கெங்க அடப்பு இருக்கனோ அந்த அடப்பை நம்ம எடுக்கணும். அந்த அடப்பை எடுத்து கரெக்ட் டைமுக்கு எடுத்தா the heart will do well and the person can live well. Depending on the block, 1 ஸ்டென்ட்டோ 2 ஸ்டென்ட்டோ 3 ஸ்டென்ட் நான் கணக்கு போடுறது எத்தனையோ வருஷம் முன்னாடி விட்டேன். மேக்ஸிமம் 11 ஸ்டென்ட் போட்டிருக்கோம் ஒரு பேஷண்ட்ல, மினிமம் 1 ஸ்டென்ட் போட்டிருக்கோம். The important thing is நீங்க ஒரு bypass பண்றீங்களா, ஒரு angioplasty பண்றீங்களா, 10 ஸ்டென்ட் வைக்கிறீங்களா is not important. It is important that what blocks are there are treated effectively and followed up by a good doctor to make sure he is doing well after that. See, இதுக்கு தான் நான் என்ன சொல்றேன்னா, நம்ம one more very important concept. எனக்கு பெர்ஃபெக்ட்டா இருக்கு டாக்டர், நான் இது வரைக்கும் 10 வருஷமா ஹாஸ்பிட்டல்ல கால் எடுத்து வச்சதில்லை. என்ன கேட்டீங்கன்னா அது சொல்லிக்கிறதுல எந்த பெருமை இல்லை. ஏன்னா நான் எப்பவுமே மறுபடியும் சொல்லுவேன், உங்க குடும்பத்துக்கு கொடுக்கக்கூடிய மிகப்பெரிய அன்பளிப்பு உங்களோட ஆரோக்கியம். Did you know that half the patients with diabetes don't even know they have diabetes? Half the patients with high blood pressure don't even know they have high blood pressure. எப்படி தெரியும் உங்களுக்கு? ஸோ வருஷத்துக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி, ஒரு வயசுக்கு அப்புறம் ஒரு செக்அப் ஃபுல்லா செக் பண்ணிட்டு சுகர் இருக்கா, பிபி இருக்கா, ட்ரெட்மில்ல நடந்து ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வர்றதுக்கு முன்னாடியே எனக்கு ஹார்ட் அட்டாக் வர வாய்ப்பு இருக்கா? See, because you know that you don't have a heart attack, I also know. Why should you come to a doctor? So that he can tell you whether you have the chance of a heart attack. So we will assess your risk, we will assess your cholesterol. அதனால தான் நாங்கள் மறுபடியும் எச்சரிக்கையாக ப்ரிவென்டிவ் ஹெல்த் செக் பண்ணுங்க, வாங்க, டேக் கேர் ஆஃப் யுவர் செல்ஃப் அண்ட் மறுபடியும் சொல்லிட்டே இருக்கோம். ஸோ இட்ஸ் வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட், ஸ்டென்ட் வச்சாலும் வைக்கலைனாலும் டு மேக் ஷூர் யூ மானிட்டர் யுவர் ஹெல்த் அண்ட் மேக் ஷூர் யூ ஸ்டே ஹெல்தி.
Thank you so much. I think we have come to the end of the question and answer session. I would officially like to close the QA session. May I request Dr. Santi, COO, Apollo Hospital Cluster 1, to share the vote of thanks.